So one of the questions we get asked quite often is how to use a ring sizer properly. So when you order from Boob Bling, if you need a ring sizer, we'll send you out one that looks a little bit like this. And you can use this to measure any finger on your hand. So you choose the finger that you want your ring to go on. You then loop through here to tighten the ring sizer. And you place the ring sizer on your ring finger of choice. So I'm going to put it on this finger here. You then can pull to tighten the ring sizer until you get it to the tightness that you require. Now you want the ring sizer to be tight enough so that it struggles to come over your knuckle. You don't want it to come over too easily. So I'd say that that's still a little bit big for me. So I'm going to tighten that a little bit more. And you can see there that I've struggled a little bit to get it over my knuckle, but it feels nice and secure on my finger. And also consider that if you are at the start of your breastfeeding journey, your fingers can sometimes still be a little bit swollen, so it's worth taking that into consideration when you're picking your ring size. So I can see from that my ring size is an O. And that's it, folks. Nice and simple. And if you've ever got any questions, you can just contact us via the website or social media, and we will be more than happy to help.